Next is question number 11. The sequence of diagrams above is made up of small lines and dots. Part A, complete the table. And in table, number of small lines is given and number of dots. Number of small lines is for diagram 1 is 4, then 10. This is 4 plus 6 is 10. Next is 18, which is 10 plus 8 is 18. Then 18 plus 10 is 28. So next will be 28 plus 12. 28 plus 12 is 40. This is 40, and next will be 40 plus 14, which is 54. And number of dots for diagram 1 is 4, then is 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Next is 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. Next is 19. 13 plus 6 is 19. So next will be 19 plus 7. 19 plus 7 is 26. This is 26. Next will be 26 plus 8. 26 plus 8 is 34. Part B, for diagram n, find an expression in terms of n for the number of small lines. The sequence for number of small lines is 4, 10, 18, 28, 40, 54. First order difference is 10 minus 4 is 6, 18 minus 10 is 8, 28 minus 18 is 10, this is 12, and this is 14. Second order difference is 2, 2, 2, 2. So this nth term of this sequence will include square and square. And for finding first term, n is 1, so we will add 3 for having 4. So n square plus 3. Now for second term, this will be n is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So if I multiply this 3 with n, then for second term this will be 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So you can check even for next terms. Let's check it for fifth term. N is 5. Then for this will be 5 square plus 15, which is 5 square plus 15 is 40. So nth term is n square plus 3n. Next is part C. Diagram R has 10,300 small lines. Find the value of R. And the nth term for small lines is n square plus 3n. So for rth diagram, this will be r square plus 3r equals 10,300. R square plus 3r minus 10,300 equals 0. By factorizing, r square plus 103r minus 100r minus 10,300 equals 0. Taking r as common, r plus 103 minus 100 as common, so r plus 103 equals 0. Then r minus 100 into r plus 103 equals 0. From this r equals 100 r equals minus 103, so value of r will be positive, so r equals 100. Part D. The number of dots in diagram n is a(n) square plus b(n) plus 1. Find the value of a and the value of b. When n is 1, this will be a plus b plus 1 equals, and number of dots for first diagram is 4. So this will be equal to 4, and from this a plus b equals 3. Let's say this is equation 1. And when n equals 2, this will be 4a plus 2b plus 1 equals. Now for number of dots for first two diagrams, this will be 8 plus 4 is 12 equals 12. Then 4a plus 2b equals 11, equation 2. Now for solving equation 1 and 2, we'll multiply equation 1 with 4 and then subtract equation 2 from this. This will be 4a plus 4b equals 12. This is 4a plus 2b equals 11. We have to subtract it. So this will be cancelled and this will be 2b equals 1, and from this b equals 1 over 2. Now by using b equals 1 over 2 in equation 1, this will implies a plus 1 over 2 equals 3, a equals 3 minus 1 over 2, which is equal to 5 over 2. A is 5 over 2 and b is 1 over 2.